Hello, here is home number 6. This is a 2024 Commodore. This home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, dishwasher, gas range, stainless steel sink, upgraded hardwood cabinets. You do get to choose your cabinets when you order. We optioned in for some blue with the natural wood there. You don't have to do that. They have white, they have gray. Lots to choose from. You get to choose your counters, colors, flooring. There's a little coat closet or pantry, whatever you prefer it to be. There's your laundry room. I love this new flooring they have. There's your furnace door, some cabinets over your washer dryer. New back door they're offering. Coat cubby with shoe rack. This is a 28 by 44 foot home. It's 1,173 square foot. Large living room. This is your master bedroom. Large closet. We did a walk-in shower in here. Nice window. Glass barn doors. I'll show you the other end of the home. This is bedroom 2. And bedroom 3, and I believe they're the exact same size, which is nice. Second bathroom, they did a fiberglass tub shower unit, window above. Another little closet there for storage, a linen or coat closet. I love their new front door too. It has the 3 large windows. It's a really nice feature.